giving a judgment or ruling or order know that without workers, the judges cannot work. So they can't get to work. So why are you giving a foolish order when you know that this is about human dignity, it's about the survival of these workers who are paid peanuts? But you know Wike now, Wike is reeling in pain over what is happening to him in Rivers State, what the workers did to him 3 days ago. But Wike will ultimately be disgraced. I was the one who said it in 2025, where he mentioned my name in his madness, that is the end of his political career and nobody can revive it. So let him be moving from mistake to mistake. The workers know what to do to deal with him.
So how will you also describe the action of Anambra State Governor Sowore, where he ordered the Anambra market to be closed for 1 week for obeying Monday system of order?
You know, if some of these guys don't come to government and they're just parading certificates, you will not know that they have nothing upstairs. The reason we invited them in October 2025, all the governors in the Southeast, all the political leaders, to press for the release of Nnamdi Kanu was because we didn't want this to continue. They refused. They all kept quiet. They were playing politics. Now you have thrown Nnamdi Kanu into prison. He's in Sokoto. You still can't get your acts together. If you like, you close all the markets in the world until you do the right thing. Nobody can force the people. You can force a horse to the stream, but you cannot force it to drink water. This is about justice. What is happening in the Southeast is a justice issue. It's about Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why people don't go to market on Mondays is because Nnamdi Kanu is being unjustly incarcerated. It started because of his trial. The only way it can end is when you end his unjust incarceration. It's as simple as that. Nothing else can save you. If you like, close all the markets. If you like, convert all the markets to, if you like, go and move the market from Anambra to Sokoto, nothing will still save you. That's the truth. And they should have, that's what we're saying in October. They could have saved themselves this embarrassment if they had listened to us. But what did they do to us in October? They arrested all of us. You know, we went to Kuje. We're out now. Your markets are still in trouble. They are all in trouble. They know it. Wike is in trouble in Abuja. Soludo is in trouble in Anambra. Tinubu is in trouble across Nigeria. No rest for the wicked.
So,
yes.
About the recent trip of Tinubu to Turkey and traveling in the midst of all these kidnappings, killings, what's your opinion and how can this be of benefit?
If you are president of Nigeria and you don't know what to do, you start traveling. You know, that's what Buhari did. Anytime there's a problem, we'll just travel. But most importantly, they travel because they are sick. These are all medical treatments that are hidden under states. They will first of all fly to France. They will go and get steroids. From there, they will go to Turkey for 2 days. You know, even if you invite Tinubu now to a student union event in Russia, he will go. Because they have nothing to offer. They don't have a solution to the problems at home. So this is their own way of escaping from their inability to govern Nigeria. Nothing. If you like, you go to Turkey 100 times. I said it at the beginning of his tenure when people were saying that he was traveling frequently because he wants to go and bring foreign investors. If you can show me one foreign investor that Tinubu brought since he's been traveling, I will apologize. Just one. I'm not talking about Shell. Shell has always been in Nigeria. That's not an investor. Those ones are the people who are screwing the Nigerian environment. Those ones are not investors. I'm talking about somebody that he met at a conference and he said, Mr. President, you spoke very well, Mr. Tinubu. I'm going to come and invest in Nigeria. Not a single one. But they will lie to you. And because they know that, you know how they feel about Nigerians. It's neither here nor there.
Okay, about...
Yeah, let's take one from you and one from you and we can close for the day.
Okay, so about the post-martial of the 16 army officers, can you share your opinion on that? Because at first, the military denied that there was a coup, and now they have come out to say, they have investigated and found 16 officers.
When the coup happened, it was broken by Sahara reporters, I'm sure you know. They sent all their influencers to be insulting the platform online. And now they have admitted that it happened. Let me shock you. Now that they have admitted that it happened, I'm sure it didn't happen. I'm telling you, anything the government says is the opposite that I believe. This might just be the persecution of... And if you read the statement they gave yesterday, he never really accused them of anything. They said, oh, it's part disciplinary, it's part court-martial. It wasn't clear. Not clear. There might be some guys within the military who disagree with the top hierarchy. They just want to discard or they just want to get rid of them, because if this was real, why did it take almost 3 months of detention before you came out? Illegal detention of all this. Not only were they detained illegally, they didn't allow their families to visit them for the period of detention. And I don't think they have done that now. So let's be careful not to accept hook, line, and sinker when these guys come and tell their usual lies.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Wike has threatened to